Steven with the Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the door handle on this GE refrigerator. We only need an 1/8 inch Allen. Let's get started. The most common reason people would replace the handle if it's either broken, scratched, or dented. Also, this plastic piece is not sold individually, it's only sold as part of the handle. To remove the handle, open the door so you can access these 2 screws. Then, loosen the screws and remove the handle. If you have a bad door handle and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. On this model, the handle will fit either of the French doors, but it will not fit the freezer door. To install the handle, align it to the fasteners and tighten the set screws. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.